In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip camera on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and let's say I want to create a story, so I'll swipe over to the right to open up my camera. Now, as you can see, frontal camera is working. And now, if I want to flip this camera to my main camera, to back camera actually, there are two different ways how I can do that. The first way is just double tap somewhere, anywhere you want on the screen, just double tap and it switches camera to main camera. Here, as you can see, that's how it works. And you can in any time double tap on the screen to flip between your frontal and main camera. And also here there is another way how you can do that. You can tap right there at this flip camera icon to flip cameras in that simple way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.